Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a June 24, 32 variant, question number 6. And topic is differentiation and integration. So first of all, he said find exact coordinate of M. Okay, where's M is a point of maxima. So have a look now how we can continue. Okay, and job number 1. So first of all, y is equals to x e to power negative ax. So product formula, u copy v dash, v copy u dash. If order change, not a problem because plus in the middle. So u copy here v derivative plus v copy and here u derivative. So what is this derivative? First you copy as it is completely, no change, into powers derivative, which is minus a. And x derivative is coming here 1. And because a point of maxima, I will plug in derivative 0. Best technique when these kind of question come, so take common out. So e to power negative ax common, and I got what from here? This gone, x and a, negative ax left. And from here 1 left. So now I can say two options I have. Either this is 0 or the other 0. So I'm going to write this is equals to 0 or negative ax plus 1 equal to 0. This cannot be. Why? If I want to bring x down, I have to take a log of the both sides. And log of 0 is infinity. That is why it is not possible. Simple cut it like this. And what about this? Ax is equals to 1. And an x value is turned to be 1 over a. But he said exact coordinates, not x coordinate, y as well. So this x value I plug in on top equation. So y is equals to x value 1 over a into e to power negative a already, and this will go in the power as well, times to 1 over a. A cancel out, I get 1 by a already, e to power minus 1. If I bring in denominator, I get like this. So what is final answer? 1 over a, comma 1 over ae. So this is my answer for m coordinate. So next part, this is done. So let's go for the next page. And what is asking for? Exact value of this one. So have a look now. So here two functions multiply, and we always use this property LAT is late. L for logarithm, A for algebra, T for trigonometry, E for exponential. From top to down, top is V, down is U. So when E come exponential and A for algebra, so what is the pattern? Exponential is V, algebra is U. So I'm writing here U and V. And basic formula I'm used for it here, I'm going to discuss here. And formula is what, students? U copy, V integration, done. So minus sign, a big sign of integral, bracket starts, bracket n and dx. Inside this value will copy paste. It means that integration of this. And what is derivative of u? So u derivative comes here. So I'm going to apply this formula here, get ready, and no care about units, limits. So u copy and integration of v, done, minus a big sign of integral, bracket starts, bracket ends, and dx. Okay, again in short story, I just show you this value, copy and paste, copy and paste. I believe understanding. Times to derivative of u, which is x, you can see here. So I'm going to complete. What is this integration? It is obviously you know it. Okay, first you copy as it is, e to power negative ax. In derivative, we multiply power derivative. In integration, we divide. Minus this sign of integral, and same answer will come here. So what again I do what? I copy and paste. Copy and paste here. All right. So this is coming here. Times to derivative of x, which is a 1. I believe the point is very clear, and this formula I'm hiding now, so no need to show further. So this is a negative down or up, same story. I'm writing x e to power negative ax by a. And negative, negative, positive. Best technique, please bring it outside, which make question easier. minus minus plus 1 by a comes out, and I'm writing this as it is. It's a very important step. Okay, now what to do onwards? I'm going to complete a question. How? Sorry, not complete, integration, sorry. So then I will plug in the upper limits. Okay, what is limit here? Integration, first copy and divided by powers derivative. And now I'm going to write the, okay, first I show this, plus c, now I'm putting limits. So negative x e to power negative ax over a, and negative into positive negative, and I get e to power negative ax by a to power 2. Now I put the limits, and limits is what? 0 and 2 by a. 0 and 2 by a. Okay, a lot of problem, this sign can disturb to us. I can keep inside, no problem, but better to keep outside. This make question easier. Second number, this power is negative. I can bring in denominator, which make question easy. So a e to power ax, and positive 1 over a square e to power a. This is not a compulsory. So 0, 2 by a. So now I'm plugging the limits. So what to do in each x? First of all, I plug in this value here and here and here. So first of all, I got 2 by a over a, and I'm writing here a, but again 2 by a. Okay, here I write the same story, a square, and e, this is a already mentioned. A is available into 2 over a. So I think this is done. This is called upper limit. Sorry, I just write it now because upper limit minus lower limit. So I do one thing. So I put in bracket like this and minus, and now I'm plugging 0. So when I plug in 0 here, so it becomes totally 0. So don't waste time in calculating. And when I plug in 0 here, because e to power 0 is 1 basically. So I will get only and only 1 over a square. So I think up till here, very clear. Now, what about what about the power? So this a cancel out and this a cancel out. And what I'm getting then? Negative outside, and I'm writing here what? It will slip. Slipping criteria is here. When I have 1 over 2 by 3, it comes here and it comes down. So 1 by 6. Same story here, slipping. So what I can say here, 1 minute, let me erase this. Okay, so I can say here 2 over a times 2a give us a square. And this is e square we have also available, e square. And what about this? A square, e square. And what about this? 1 over a square. So I think point is clear. And how to complete a question further? If you look at carefully, students, so I can take LCM inside. LCM is what, student? A square, e square. Does this match? Yes, match. Upper value copy, 1 copy. But is the same? No. What is missing? E square is missing. So e square, I'm writing here negative e square. So this is very clear. Now I'm writing what is inside. Finally, I got a 3 minus e square by a square into e square. Okay, afterwards, if you leave it here or bring negative sign inside, this sign will change and this sign will change. I can write it this way. I can write this way, e square positive and 3 negative by a square into e, by e square. So this is a not wrong answer. If you leave it here, correct answer. Or second, we have another option we have available. If you bring 1 by a square outside, you get a e square minus 3 over e square. So e square divide both values and I get a square outside is a 1 minus 3 over e to power 2. Bring it up, e to square negative 2. So both answers are correct. If you get this one answer even, so both answers are right. This answer or this answer, both answers are correct. I hope so. You got a point very clear and the question is completely over.